Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Infinix Smart 10 Plus, which is pattern locked. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you guys can remove any type of pattern or password from your Infinix Smart 10 Plus in case you guys have forgot it. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone. Then press the power key for about 4 seconds, and after that quickly hold on to the volume down key also. Now as soon as the Infinix logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume down key until the recovery menu comes up. Then inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset, and this will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see at the bottom that the data wipe has been completed. After that, select reboot system now. After the reboot, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then when the phone finally turns on, tap on the arrow, select your language, region, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.